In this video, I'm going to show you how to access TikTok from America or anywhere else it may or may not be banned. If this video helps you out, please subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos just like it. Now, if you don't have a large following on TikTok or a video that has just a ton of views on it, it may not be worthwhile for you to invest in something called a VPN, which is what you are going to need if you want to access TikTok from a country it is banned in, i.e. America. Now, what is a VPN? A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Basically, what a VPN allows you to do is access places on the internet that you are geo-blocked from accessing from your country of residence. It also provides a ton of security for you, encryption, and it does not keep logs of any of your activity online. So to get the VPN that I recommend, which is called ExpressVPN, click on the link in the description. Now let's take a look at ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN you can find, of course, by clicking the link in the description. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this. It's a VPN that just works. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you find out this is not for you, within 30 days, just get your money back. Now you can enjoy unrestricted access worldwide, i.e. you can access TikTok from anywhere in the world, and you will be able to stay secure and anonymous online. And you can get ExpressVPN on all of your devices, so you can get it on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and so on and so forth. It is also providing you with online protection. It'll defeat hackers and spies with the best in-class encryption and leak proofing. You can access the internet anywhere without borders, no matter your location. And you can connect to any of their unlimited bandwidth ultra-fast VPN servers. There's a huge global network of fast VPN servers. Basically, all you have to do is log into a server. For instance, if you're in the US, you could log into a server that says you're from the United Kingdom. And then you can access the World Wide Web from the United Kingdom. It'll keep you completely anonymous online. There's 24-hour chat, live support, and of course that 30-day money-back guarantee. So I totally recommend it. If you want to get it, here are the prices for it. Now, they do have a 15-month plan. They'll cut you a discount. It'll come out to be $6.67 per month. It'll be billed for 15 months at a time at just under $100 for 15 months. You're saving almost $100. The next plan that they have for a deal is a 6-month plan. You're going to save a little bit here. It'll be billed $9.99 per month. It's billed every 6 months at just under $60. There is, of course, a 30-day money-back guarantee on that as well. Or if you just want to check it out, you can go for the monthly subscription, which is $12.95 per month. It is billed $12.95 per month, and there is, of course, that 30-day money-back guarantee. All you got to do is enter in your email address, your preferred method of payment, and you are going to get 24/7 customer support, ultra-fast servers, apps for all different kinds of devices, best-in-class security and encryption, no activity logs, no connection logs, and of course, risk-free money-back guarantee. Now, that's the one that I do recommend. However, if you still don't want to swing for that $12.95 per month, even in spite of the 30-day money-back guarantee, you can go to the Google Play Store, type in VPN, and this is the page that you're going to be brought to. There are some free ones out there for sure to check out. Now, the only disclaimer I want to add is that free ones typically will not let you go and search countries that you're not supposed to be searching from your country of origin. They also don't provide as much encryption, and they do tend to keep logs of your activity online. So if those features of ExpressVPN are kind of important to you, you may or may not find those with a free version. However, I did want to include them because if you're just getting started on TikTok, it may not be worth $12.95 per month. But if it is, click on the link in the description. It'll definitely help you out. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope this video helped you out on how to access TikTok from America or anywhere else it may or may not be banned. If it did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like it. And of course, have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.